Have you ever wondered how to effortlessly send money to friends, family, or even yourself across different banks or platforms? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Moka and exploring how you can seamlessly transfer funds using this convenient digital wallet. Moka is a popular mobile app that has revolutionized the way we manage our finances. It's a one-stop shop for everything from paying bills to making investments. But one of its most useful features is the ability to transfer money quickly and securely. Main content: the step-by-step guide. Accessing the transfer feature. Open the Moka app on your smartphone. Look for the transfer or send money icon, usually located on the main dashboard. Tap on it to proceed. Choosing the transfer method. Moka offers various transfer options. You might have the choice to transfer to a bank account within or outside Nigeria. Send money to another Moka user. Use a QR code to transfer instantly. Entering recipient details. For bank transfers, input the recipient's bank name, account number, and account name. For Moka to Moka transfers, simply search for the recipient's username or phone number. If using a QR code, scan the code with your phone's camera. Specifying the amount. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to double-check the amount before proceeding. Adding a note. You can add a note or description to the transfer for your reference. Confirming the transfer. Review the transfer details, including the recipient, amount, and any notes. If everything is correct, tap on Confirm or a similar button. Authentication. Moka might require you to authenticate the transfer using biometric authentication, fingerprint or facial recognition, or a PIN code. Successful transfer. Once the transfer is verified, you'll receive a confirmation message or notification. The funds will usually be transferred instantly or within a short period. Additional tips. Fees and charges. Be aware of any fees or charges associated with transfers, especially for international transfers. Transfer limits. Moka might have daily or monthly transfer limits. Check your account settings for details. Security. Always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Moka's customer support for assistance. Common questions. Can I transfer money internationally? Yes, Moka often supports international transfers to specific countries. Is there a minimum transfer amount? The minimum transfer amount may vary depending on the transfer method and destination. How long does it take for funds to be transferred? Transfers are typically instant or processed within a short period. Moka has made it incredibly convenient to transfer money, whether you're sending funds to a friend or paying a bill. By following these simple steps, you can easily utilize this feature and enjoy the benefits of a digital wallet. Have you tried transferring money using Moka? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful financial tips. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.